Hello guys, welcome to this new video in this channel. In this video I want to show you one very easy and quick way to edit your YouTube videos, or rather you should say edit any of your videos that you might want to edit but you are not able to find the right kind of software. So the software that I'm going to be showing you and using in this particular video is called FFmpeg software. Now this is a software which is quite old, and in fact whatever video editor you might be using, so that video editor might be using this particular software called FFmpeg in its backend. What I want to show you in this video is how you can integrate that software using Python, and how you can programmatically edit your videos. So it is one of the cool ways, because many a times what happens is you might be feeling confused uh, as to finding the right kind of software for that right kind of for that particular task that you are looking for. Okay, so you might not be able to find that particular kind of software for your task, and in that situation what you can do is you can resort to this FFmpeg application. Now if you are very familiar with FFmpeg's command line syntax, then it's good. But the reason that I'm saying this is because most of the time people get very intimidated by looking at the FFmpeg's syntax, because it is quite difficult. So what Python does is it offers a quite easy way to perform all those similar tasks that you perform using command line FFmpeg tool using Python scripts. Now I'm not going to be showing you very sophisticated example in this video, but using FFmpeg you can do pretty much anything in video editing, be it cutting videos, merging various videos, or adding mp3 to your videos, removing audios from your videos. So you can pretty much do anything. But what I want to quickly show you in this video is how you can quickly get started by using FFmpeg in Python. So there are two pieces of software that you should be interested in. The first one is obviously we have to install a client tool in Python which will interact with the command line tool of FFmpeg, and that client tool is known as FFmpeg-PYTHON, FFmpeg_Python. So we are going to be installing that tool just now after a few minutes. And the another piece of tool is actually the main tool, which is called FFmpeg, that you might get very easily from the link that I will provide to you. So FFmpeg, if you hit enter, the first website you need to go to this download, and you need to choose your Windows here from here, and you can download FFmpeg you by going or rather I should say by cloning this GitHub repository. Okay, so it is quite easy, not a big deal. So what I am going to do is I'm going to be providing you exact set of steps in the description, so you can follow along with that description, or rather what I will do is I will just include the software itself in the description, so you don't need to go through all these manual steps. So this is the main FFmpeg application that actually you need to use. Okay, so second thing that you need to download is you need to go to command prompt, and in command prompt you need to do pip install FFmpeg-PYTHON. Now this tool is a tool which enables us to interact with this FFmpeg tool that we are going to be downloading. Okay, so let it install. Since I have already got this particular FFmpeg-PYTHON, so I don't need to go through the installation process. But let me quickly tell you one more thing, that just downloading this particular software is not enough. You will also need to specify the path of wherever you will install this software. You need to specify that path to your environmental variables. So what do I mean by this? So let me quickly open my environmental variables. So let me give the administrator access. So once this toggle appears, I will go to environmental variables, and from system variables I will go to path. Okay, in this path you will notice this particular folder. which says C colon forward slash FFMPEG forward slash bin. Now this path is giving the instruction to my computer that whenever I hit from the command line FFmpeg, then it is going to recognize. So if I delete this command from here, then it is not going to recognize. So let me quickly show you what do I mean. So if I from the command line, if I enter just FFmpeg, so if I hit enter, few configurations and few information about FFmpeg software appears. Now this particular information would not appear if I delete this piece of information. So let me now quickly go to this particular location, C, FFmpeg and bin. So I will go to C, and in C, so in C folder you can see this FFmpeg folder. So if I go in this folder, you will see all sorts of these okay, inside this bin you will find this ffmpeg.exe, and this is the folder that you will need. This is the software that you will need. So I will share this software in the description below. So this is a software which is of around 63 MBs. So this software you need to put somewhere where you will not accidentally delete, and after putting that software in that location, you need to specify that location in here. Okay, so I hope it makes sense. So I'll say okay, okay, and okay. So the reason that it is important is because using command line we can use this FFmpeg software. Now it is very much possible to do a very very easy to do commands from the command line itself. So say for example I want to add or rather I should say I want to convert the video format from MP4 to .av. So that I can just do by specifying ffmpeg I for input. I'll put the path of my file like C colon, I'll say C colon, say for example users, say for example some dummy video. So this specifies the path of my input. Now I will enter the file that I want to convert it in. So I'll say C user, let us say I want to convert this video in demo.av format. Okay, so in that case I just need to hit enter. Obviously it is going to throw an error because this video does not exist, so no such file or directory, but you can run these type of easy commands from the command line itself. Now it is quite a handy tool because many a times you might have used some sort of other video editing libraries and it takes an enormous amount of time, like uploading the video on the website and then getting the outputted file and then downloading that file. So but believe me, this FFmpeg software is quite fast. It's very fast, and it can do all sorts of similar tasks in pretty much seconds. So it is quite powerful. You will feel like you have got some sort of power. Okay, now let me show you how can I use this particular software in the Python. So I'll open Anaconda prompt, and inside Anaconda prompt what I will do is I will open the Python, or you can also make script, but I'm going to be showing you what I have to do from this terminal shell only. Okay, what I need to do first is I need to import FFmpeg. So I'll do import FFmpeg. I have already installed it using pip install FFmpeg /python. Now what I need to do is I need to have some sort of stream. So for that I need to have some video, some source. Now you cannot you don't need a video only. You can have your image, or you can have any other file like that you might want to convert, like MP4 file or any other file that you might want to convert. So what I will do is I'll just quickly go to videos, and this is the file that I am trying to so let me lower the volume because it will start playing. So let me play this file demo.mp4. So this is the file that I have recorded for this
So
this
I'm
video
making
only.
this video
So
to
now
kind
notice
of
this
demonstrate
file. What I will try to do with this file is I will try to flip
this
it
is one of the
horizontally.
dashboards
Okay,
that I have
so
built
rather
for
than
one of my clients.
rather
So I
than it
want to
is
quickly
getting, so
demonstrate
right
you
now
the
it is
way
displaying in
it
this
looks
form, but
and the way
after
it works.
flipping it
So
horizontally it
I have got
will
this
be flipped
building
horizontally, and it will be
layout.py file. What I'm going
it
to
will
do
be
is I'm going to run
you
this
know
particular file in the
displayed
form
in
of
some other
building
manner.
Python
So
building
let
layout.py
me
file.
close this video and let me also copy its location, because we will need its location to specify it in FFmpeg. So I'll just copy this thing, and after that I can concatenate this demo.mp4, and now I'll close this particular thing here. So now I want to create a stream. So after creating a stream, what I will do is I will call ffmpeg.input. So I'll specify the input, and I'll add r in front of this string, because there are some forward slashes which Python does not allow. So I'll say demo.mp4. Okay, so I've just created a stream object. Now from this stream object, I can do all sorts of things. So I'm making a new stream. So I'm just overwriting that stream, and I'll say ffmpeg dot horizontal flip. So in the horizontal flip, I will pass the old stream. Okay, so if I hit enter, so now I am having this stream, but that stream is not corresponding to that video that I passed, but rather the horizontally flipped version of that video. Okay, after that I need to create output stream. So I'll say stream. I think I misspelled the later wala stream. So stream is equal to, so I'll say ffmpeg dot output, and in the output I need to specify two things. I need to specify the stream, and I need to specify the path. Okay, so again I am going to specify the same path, but rather than calling it demo.mp4, I'll call output.mp4. And remember that these two steps will always be there in any editing that might involve using FFmpeg. This input step and this output step, and in between you can do all sorts of things. And in between I have just executed one step, which was horizontally flipping this string. And you can do all sorts of things like adding some audio, or blurring some part, or maybe concatenating another video to this stream, or rather I should say concatenating or adding another stream to this existing stream. Okay, so if I hit enter, wait a second. Okay, yeah, so now we have got this stream is equal to ffmpeg dot output stream, and this path. So let me now go to this particular videos folder, and you will see that I don't have any output file. The reason is that I have not executed this command. So how can I execute this command? So I'll say ffmpeg.run. Okay, inside this run, I'll pass this stream, and if I hit enter, now it is saying some sort of error, and the error is ffmpeg error. Wait a second. So it has created this FFmpeg. Oh, I think I misspecified the path. So let me now quickly do that. So rather than .mp4, I'll say this. So let me now create all those steps again, because okay. So from first of all, I'll read the stream. I'll horizontally flip the stream, and rather than doing this .mp4, okay, yeah, rather than doing this mp3, I'll add mp4 here, and now I can run this stream. Okay, now notice that this has started executing this process. Now what you are seeing on this command line is the actual process from the actual software FFmpeg only, because we downloaded it, and Python require us to download this software beforehand, before we actually interact with it using this tool called ffmpeg/python. Okay, so it has done successfully loading the content. So now you can see we have output.mp4. If I play this video, everything will be flipped out, and everything will be horizontally flipped out. I hope you like this video. So you can do all sorts of things. Now you might be wondering, where can I learn if I want to do all sorts of things, like adding videos, merging videos, concatenating videos. There are like cutting videos. There are all sorts of tasks that you can do with FFmpeg-Python. So what you want to do is you want to go to FFmpeg-Python's GitHub page, and on this GitHub page you can find the examples related to all sorts of tasks that you might be might be interested in. Okay, so this is quite rich, particular rich rich set of interface, and you can learn from this page itself all sorts of things that you can do, that you might be interested in. Okay, so I hope you liked this particular cool Python trick, and if you want to have more such contents, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and also please consider liking the video for more such content, and further for encouraging this video, because when you give like, then it encourages us a lot. And also, since I have only provided one example in this video, if you want more examples, please let me know in the comment down below, that if you want more examples, that then I will make one more video where I'll show more comprehensive set of examples, like cutting videos or merging various videos using FFmpeg Python. So till then, I hope you enjoyed this particular video. Thank you so much.